There are two chord progressions that cause problems when you write them in minor. The first one is the 2 to 5. The 2 chord is an F sharp, A, C chord. So let's do 2 F sharps, an A, and a C. The 5 chord in the key of E minor is B, D sharp, F sharp. So let's write the bass. And the usual way you want to connect the chords that are a fifth apart is to hold the common tone. I mean, there are two ways to do it, but everybody wants to hold the common tone. So let's hold the common tone. Common tone will be F sharp. Okay? So the F sharp. Let's fill everything else in. So we have the B and a D. So we have to take the D here, D sharp, because you have to raise the third, and another B. Now, do you see the problem here? The problem is this is an augmented second. You can't have an augmented second. So, how to correct that? Well, let me erase these upper voices. Another method of connecting chords that are fifth apart is to go in the direction of the fifth. And since this fifth goes down, we'll take all of these voices down. So, the A will go down to the F sharp, nearest available position. The F sharp will go down to the D sharp. And the C will go down to the B. So that is the way you need to connect the chords from 2 to 5 in minor. You have to go in the direction, the upper three voices in the direction of the fifth. The other progression that causes problems is the 5 to 6, like the deceptive cadence. So let's write the 5, which is going to be B, D sharp, F sharp. So let's put 2 B's and a D sharp right here and F sharp. Now, when you're writing chords that are a second apart in root position, you normally go opposite the direction of the bass. So, here's the bass note, which C, E, F, C, E, G. So if I go opposite, then this F sharp would go down to the E, and the D sharp would go down to the C, and the B would go down to the G. Okay, do you see the problem? Again, this is an augmented second. Can't have that. So, there's an easy fix to this one. All you have to do, let me erase this note, because that's the culprit. And what you'll do is double the third in this chord. So the D sharp will go up to an E. That's it. So, as a review, the 2 to 5, you have to go in the direction of the bass. Do not hold the common tone when it's in minor. And in the 5 to 6, 5 to 6, you have to double the third in the 6th chord, and both of these solutions are to avoid the augmented second.